It's nap time. So on these here, I was just making these in as well, kind of thing. And I added in the green, but I also added in a little bit of blue, and you can see in the cracks, I guess. It's not really cracks, but where the pigment has separated, there's a little bit of blue in there, so I'm wondering how these look on the other side. Oh yeah, you can see the mix of the blue and the green. I like that. That's pretty cool. But I know that's not the project. Yeah, so these turned out really cool. I love the clear with these standing up in the corner. I was wondering if I was going to be able to feel them a little bit, but I mean, I still feel the resin and not so much the casing, so that's nice. Yeah, so those are cool. I'll get these finished up, and I'll do some seal shots and show you guys. Hey folks, well these are finally done. What do you think? I absolutely love these. I love how they turned out with the beveled edge on both sides. These are acting like feet. They are stable. It's a little bit transparent, but not too much. I think it's a really cool look. The holder itself turned out great. I like how the cases look in there, just laying around. I love the contrast between the blue and this blackish chrome. So yeah, I didn't put any feet on. I'm just leaving it plain resin. I wanted everything to show through, and like I said, these are acting like feet in a sense. So I do like it. I hope you guys did too. If you did, let me know in the comments. Let me know how you would change it, how you would finish it. And if you have any other suggestions on, what to put in resin, just let me know, and I'll see if I can make something. And if you want to see how these guys are made, at the end of this video will be the link to this video on it. Not these ones specifically, but how I do this set here. Yeah, so there you have it. I think they'll make great gifts for somebody who is, outdoorsy or loves firearms or hunting, stuff like that. Competition, that sort of thing. Or just likes the general look of them. So, anyways, so thank you for watching until the end. If you did like this video, please consider subscribing. Give it a like. Share it with somebody who might be interested in this sort of thing. See how they like it. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Later.